So today is the start of the second week of training for Raw Unity 8, and I'm starting today with a little bit of bench pressing. You can see here I still incorporate all of my fatigue sets. I believe this is 335. I do this for a pause triple. I do 2 additional sets, but something was happening with my phone and it just wasn't recording everything. After I finish up with the fatigue sets, I move on to my working sets, which today were 370 for 1. These felt a little bit heavier than I wanted them to. The bar speed was okay, and position felt okay, back was okay, but I think just the volume and the intensity with you can see there I'm struggling, but the volume and intensity of the fatigue sets is starting to get up there a little bit higher, so my body's adapting to that. But overall, I'm still happy with these pressing or these presses. After that, I want to go a little bit heavier and try to overload the system, so I incorporate the slingshot. Here I'm doing 385 for 1, and I do another set just to kind of hammer the point on and really trying to get a little bit more heavier weight early on in the training cycle. And you can see here I'm still focusing a lot on the wide grip pressing. I do, I believe, 4 sets of 5 at around 290, I believe, here. Now again, these are short pause, but you know, I do try to at least stop momentum. You can see it's not, you know, caving my chest down, just stopping the bar on the chest and then pressing up relatively fast. You'll see here on my last set that my back started cramping. There's another set I did, but this is my last set and my back started cramping, so I did a little bit, I didn't tuck the back as hard, and overall it was a lot more difficult than I thought. But all in all, pretty good day. Excited to continue training, and hopefully my body will adapt and I'm able to continue pushing forward. Thanks for watching.